Hey everybody, so I figured with coronavirus that the real estate may come down eventually, and I've always wanted to live outside of New York because I find New York City to be kind of disgusting and nasty, and all the buildings are really old and you don't have grass and trees and nice stuff like you do in other areas. So I was riding around with Erica and I wanted to take a look at other homes, and I found this one. They wanted 400 something thousand for it. I figured, at the end of the year, once the real estate, mortgage, all that crisis hits, offer something in the 200s or 300s and see what happens. And she really hates this one. Why do you hate it so much?
Okay.
Because it looks nice if you look at the pictures on Zillow below that I'll link to.
Okay, so this is the home, right?
Yeah.
Okay, which one is the home? Which one's the home for sale?
The left, the one that says
The
257.
left. Okay, so you're getting half the home.
No, you're not. That's a full house. It's just attached to another one.
Yeah, so you're getting half the home.
No, you're not.
You're getting the left half of it.
It's not a half.
So here's the thing, right? You see the railings are rusted, and then you see the food dogs, right?
Yeah.
Who owns the railings? If I want to update the railings and repaint it, do I have to get permission from the guy who lives on the right?
I get your point, because we're renting the store from a co-op space right now, and if I hang a painting on the wall at 8:30 p.m., the guy upstairs will message me and get angry at me that I hung the painting.
Yeah.
Completely unaware of the concept that we're paying $12,500 a month to. A lot of it is him. I think he's the lead shareholder in the building. And that's, it's the kind of thing that you want to avoid for the place that you're living. And I do like music, loud music. Vandersteen 3As with Rotel 1090. But yeah.
Yeah, so imagine this, right? Let's say you want to paint the railing or you want to paint that side, right?
Huh?
You have to have the exact same shade as the guy on the right, either he's going to say, hey, it's off center. Or
Okay,
it's not working.
So we gotta
Get a whole house. I don't want half a pie, I want the whole pie.
I have a lot of pedaling to do because my battery is... EM3 EV makes really good batteries, but this one is starting to get depleted. It used to be 26 amp hour, now it's down to 19 and a half, and I'm down to 13 and a half, and when it goes to 6, it stops working. At that point, I have to kick Eric off the bike so we can make it home. I've been doing a lot of pedaling today, but there's going to be a lot more pedaling to do. I've been just using the motor to mildly assist me every now and then, but it's going to be fun. Eric is going to have to pedal on the way back home. But this area kind of looks nice.
I know. So
We're going to look at another one.
So you like that house over there, right?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, that's a whole house. Not
What?
half a house.
No, let's see if it's
No, it's a whole house. That's why you like it.
It sucks that you can't change the camera that you're using mid recording.
Oh. Yeah, so you like whole houses, not just half a house BS.
Then buy both.
Huh? Buy both.
Knock down the middle.
Knock down the middle.
That is a purple railing. Look at that. That's crazy.
I know, that guy would never be able to live with the guy on the right.
No, look, he has a half house too, and they're both purple.
Huh?
See? No, look, he's half house, and the other one's purple as well.
There's one problem. See? You have two separate railings, right? Look at this one. You're sharing the railing.
Okay, I get it.